Okay, we got some more baskets. Let me see what I can do with these. Y'all ready? Okay, let's go. Okay. So here's our basket, and we're going to form the hat. And it's basically about the same as the cup. You're going to turn it over. You're going to see where it starts flaring out, and you're going to start pushing around. Just push just a little bit, so you're going to make your little crease. Once you go all the way around, you're going to start pushing down and pulling up. Push down with your thumb, pull up with your fingers, push down, pull up. You're making the brim of the hat. Push down, pull up, push down, pull up, push down, pull up, push down, pull up, and now we're going to form. And you just made that brim. That's it. Okay, now we just need to decorate the hat. There are several things in the Dollar Tree that you can use for ears if you're going to put the bunny rabbit ears on the hat. Now, I use the headband that the Dollar Tree has that has the ears on it. I cut my ears off. I glued the popsicle sticks into the hat and then slipped the ears on there for one set. Then I took ribbon and put ribbon around the brim and decorated the brim. There's also a windmill that you can use at the Dollar Tree. You just pull out the petals. They pull straight out. The wire stays in there. Once I pulled the petals out, I took the fabric that I wanted to use. Of course, I used Alabama. I had houndstooth on one side and then the Alabama print on the other side. All I did was glue it on there and cut around and then place on the hat. Absolutely no sewing involved. Use hot glue. To put these ears on, I left the fabric at the end where the wire was hanging out a little long. I used a pair of pliers to bend the wire back, had the fabric over it, and I glued it on to the hat. Again, there are several different things that you can use for ears. You can even use just regular construction paper and cut your ears out and place them on the hat. So I didn't spend too much time on that. And that's it. That's the craft.